Hey there, savvy savers! Welcome to the Red's Own List. Today, we're diving into the world of online shopping and uncovering the best website where you can score the most amazing deals without breaking the bank. First up, we have Amazon Warehouse. This hidden gem offers open box and pre-owned products at incredible discounts. From electronics to household items, you can find almost anything here. And the best part, every item is backed by Amazon's return policy, so you can shop with confidence. So next in our list is AliExpress. This global marketplace is known for its unbeatable prices on a wide range of products. Whether you're looking for fashion, gadgets, or home decor, AliExpress has it all. Just be sure to check sellers' ratings and reviews before making a purchase to ensure a smooth shopping experience. This is good shopping also for if you're having your own store. They are a good place to shop. The third on our list is eBay. eBay is a fantastic platform for finding both new and used items at discounted prices. Keep an eye on the eBay deals sections for daily discounts and flash sales. You can also try bidding on auction items for even bigger savings. The next one we have Rakuten. Don't forget Rakuten, formerly known as eBags. Rakuten offers cashback on purchases from the thousands of retailers. Simply sign up for a free account, shop through their links, and earn cashbacks on every purchases. It's a great way to save a little extra on your online shopping. Next is Thrift Store Online. If you are into sustainable shopping, check out online thrift store like ThriftUp and Postmark. There's even a Facebook Marketplace. These platforms allow you to buy and sell secondhand fashion at fraction of the original price. Plus, you're giving pre-loved items a new lease on life. And there you have it, folks. Our top picks for the cheapest websites for online shopping. Remember, living Red's Own List is all about making smart choices and stretching your dollars further. Be sure to explore this website and discover the best deals for yourself. Like, comment, and subscribe for more budget-friendly tips. See you next time.